Welcome to the Gandara Youth Development Center.
Bienvenidos al Centro Gándara para el Desarrollo de la Juventud. Today is a very special day. Today, we open our doors for you to see and experience our new site.
We have accomplished the creation of a place where the youth can find a warm and welcoming environment, educational support, a space to incite their creativity, get access to computer and technology literacy, job readiness, and coaching for their future.
We are proud to be part of the community and provide our services to the at-risk youth from the Gandara residential programs and the Holyoke community as well.
The Gandara Youth Development Center is the home for the Title I Educational Support Program,
The Gandara After School Program,
Therapeutic Mentoring Program,
the Art Enrichment Program,
and the Computer Lab and Resource Center for skill development, job readiness, and computer literacy for the youth in the community.
With the use of technology, creativity, and the engagement of our dedicated staff, we aim to provide resources, services, and activities dedicated to inform, entertain, and educate the youth.
Thank you for allowing us to continue our mission to give the youth and the community access to services and care that may transform their lives into positive life experiences, wellness, and knowledge.
Welcome to the Gandara Youth Development Center.